TALLINN, Estonia. The Russian Ministry of Justice on Friday. The country's Supreme Court and LGBTQ international public movement as a pro-excessive prohibition to prohibit the lawsuit. The ministry said in an online statement that authorities have determined the active activities of LGBT movement üzere, including the incentive of social and religious incompatibility in Russia. He said he was planning a hearing. The pressure that started 10 years ago was slow but confidently carved in LGBTQ rights. Putin has gone through a constitutional reform to expand 2 more terms that prohibit marriage from the same sex. In 2022, after sending unity to Ukraine, Kremlin increased discourse right defenders as an attempt to legitimize war in Ukraine. They accepted a law that prohibited propaganda of sexual relations with non-sexual relations and LGBTQ. Effectively banned any public approval people. In September 2022, in a ceremony here in our country, Russia, instead of mother and father instead of one. No.2. No.3 Do we want to be? Moscow's annexation of the 4 Ukrainian regions of Moscow. Do we want deviations from primary classes that lead to deterioration and disappearance in our schools? Authorities rejected the accusations of discrimination against LGBTQ people. At beginning this week, Russian media said that Deputy Minister Justice Andrei Loginov was legally protected by Andrei Loginov.He spoke in Geneva while presenting and argued that non-traditional sexual relations or preferences restricting demonstration public is not a form censorship for them. Speaking at a culture-related event in St. Petersburg on Friday, Putin called LGBTQ people as a part of society and said that they had the right to win various art and culture awards.